శ్రీ పీజేపీ గుప్తా గారు, పీజేపీ గుప్తా గారు. Please give the applause to great applause. They are former members. They serve a lot of the charity. శ్రీ తవ్వ వెదగిరీశ్వరరావు గారు, శ్రీ జీవి జగపతి గారు, శ్రీ మన్నారు కుమార్ గారు, శ్రీ ఊరా ఆంజనేయ గారు, శ్రీ నలభ శ్రీకాంత్ గారు, శ్రీ పొన్నూరు వెంకటకృష్ణారావు గారు, శ్రీ దుర్గిల రమేష్ గారు, శ్రీ దేశి లక్ష్మీనారాయణ గారు, ఫోకస్ కరెస్పాండెంట్ ఆఫ్ స్కూల్ అండ్ ప్రెజెంట్ మెంబర్ ఇన్ఛార్జ్ ఆఫ్ దేవస్థానం.
Years of youthful aspirations, months of hard work and perseverance, days of exploration and creation have culminated in the grand centenary celebrations today. KTCT Girls High Secondary School is one of the oldest educational institutions in Chennai. It is a linguistic minority recognized and reputed institution for the Telugu-speaking community under the management of Sri Kanika Parmeswari Devasthanam and Charity. The Maharaja of Vijayanagaram, His Highness Sri Ananda Gajapati Raju, took the initiative and founded the school in 1890 and maintained the school in Georgetown locality. After a brief period, it was transferred to the care of National Indian Association. Messrs. Thiruvenkatam Chetty, Rao Bahadur Kalvala Kannan Chetty, and Diwan Bahadur Kalvala Ramanujam Chetty, the generous-hearted businessmen, made contributions for the maintenance of the school. But the actual management of the school was under the control of the National Indian Association. In 1924, the President of National Indian Association, Sir Charles Todd Hunter, requested the Sri Kanika Parameswari Devasthanam and Charities to take up the management of the school and to receive the contributions from the estate of the Kalavala brothers. As it was maintained by the Kalavala brothers, the school was named after Kalavala Thiruvenkatam Chetty. Under the management of SKP and Charities, the school made a rapid progress. The school was functioning as a higher elementary school till 1938. The management was very keen to cater to the needs of the Telugu population of the locality. So in 1943, the school was converted into a Telugu girls' school. By 1944, they made all arrangements in Naranamalli Street, which was once purchased by the Kalavala brothers for running the school, got permission from the government and converted it into a middle school. 1945-46, the high-grade elementary school was converted to a new middle school, which was named as KTC Telugu Girls Middle School. Our school is also known as Bommawala School, as the students receive wooden doll as a gift or prize. Chinna chinna bomma idi, chitramaina bomma, amma naaku konichina andamaina bomma. Chinna chinna bomma idi, chitramaina bomma, amma naaku konichina andamaina bomma. Navale kallu, navale muttu, navale kaalu chetulu, naanyamuga galadu. This was a song that we got to all the students that they received the job, and this lyrics was being given to me by one of our alumni. Thank you, ma'am. The elementary school was inspected by the sub-assistant inspectors, Mrs. G. Conrad. She recorded her appreciation. In 1945, Her Excellency Lady Ho visited our school, and she has also appreciated the progress of the school. The school was upgraded as high school with Form 4 in 1947, Form 5 in 1948, Form 6 in 1949. In the whole of Madras city, this was the only girls' high school where Telugu was a medium of instruction. This school was undoubtedly a great boon to the Andhra population of the locality. The motto of the school: speak the truth, do the right. Satyam Vada, Dharmam Chara. The mission of the school: to empower, educate and inspire the students. The vision of the school: to equip with skills to meet the academic challenges. Now for a few highlights of the school. The first batch was sent for SSLC examination in March 1950. Our girl guides welcome Lady Madam Powell at Wedlock Park. They participated in welcoming Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth in 1961. The students welcomed Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, President of Indian Union, when he visited the Stepney Temple. The Governor Vishnu Ram Mehdi inspected the ACC and guides of our school. And in 1978, the school was upgraded to a high secondary school to 10+2+3 pattern. And you can see how human computer Shakuntala Devi also visited our school. She was a guest speaker. And I should announce here that before the midday meal scheme was announced, our SKP Charities have been providing nutritious food to the needy students. And our former headmistress, Srimati P. Sundaram, received the Best Headmistress Award from His Excellency Shri Kaviraj Patwadi, Honorable Governor of Madras. Dr. C.M. Reddy Garu, he presided over the school anniversary in 1980 and 2090 also. And we have great people like Dr. H.V. Mande, Dr. P.C. Alexander, and our students performed in front of our chief ministers, Dr. V.R. Nedunjalian, Dr. Mrs. J. Lalitha Garu, and in front of many governors also. Introduction of Internet was done in 1997, where the Director of Education, Government of Tamil Nadu, was the chief guest. Our students have produced state ranks in many of the subjects, and they have also awarded with Inspire Award and National Tamil has been introduced for 11th and 12th and also for 6th to 10th. To inculcate a sense of nationalism and patriotism in every child, national functions are celebrated under the single umbrella of SKPD and charities. Teachers' Day, Children's Day, Gandhi Jayanti, all are celebrated with great enthusiasm. Music, drama, dance, yoga, and all extracurricular activities are being taught to the children. Our students also participate in the All India radio programs every year. Our school is a center for public practical examination and exams for UPSC, TNPSC and non-government. Welfare schemes enforced by the Tamil Nadu government are also implemented in our school. Alumni Association and other clubs have been a great source of help in providing amenities to the school. A 100-year-old linguistic minority institution, a government-aided school from 1924 to 2024, located in the heart of the city, focuses on free education with talented teachers, following traditional method and modern technology, using digital and smart boards, smart TV and projector. We have all amenities with all-round development of the students. We have notable achievements with successful alumni. We strongly believe education is a foundation upon which one builds the future. We are providing opportunities for students to learn and explore. Past and present members of the managing committees of SKPD and charities have been doing their best for the overall development of this institution. They are taking extreme interest in providing the amenities required to run the school on par with the private institutions. Dedicated and sincere efforts of teaching and non-teaching staff members certainly play a vital role in the academic standards of this institution. May Goddess Vasavanga bless this institution in its endeavors and nurture the young minds to become good citizens. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Let's move on to unveiling of stupa. In commemoration of KTCT 100th year, it is our honor to invite Honorable Governor of Tamil Nadu to unveil the stupa of marking 100th year. In this stupa, it signifies the lotus and the kalsam, which represents the prosperity, richness, heritage and culture of KTCT Girls Higher Secondary School. Here in this stupa, cowhead represents gentleness, book represents knowledge, sun represents brightness, lion represents valor. Thank you, sir. Unveiling of play. Again, we are delighted to invite Honorable Governor of Tamil Nadu to open the centenary play symbolizing the mark of KTCT Girls Higher Secondary School centenary year. Thank you, sir. A release of souvenir. I humbly request our Honorable Governor of Tamil Nadu to release our school souvenir. We reflect on the past 100 years. We remember the visionaries who found this institution, the dedicated educators who taught here, the countless students who passed through these hallowed halls. We celebrate the contributions, their achievements. This centenary day marks a significant milestone. Thank you, sir. Launching of school website. I request our today's guest of honor, Dr. Rama Jayavankaru, alumni of KTCT Girls Higher Secondary School, to launch our KTCT school website. To introduce a new era of innovation, today we unveil KTCT Girls Higher Secondary School website. With a click of button, we embark on a new journey of connections. Hope this generates excitement and interest among the spectators. Let us show our appreciation with a round of applause. Thank you, ma'am.
దేవస్థానం